Hey, it's Thunderbird Bob. I wanted to spend a minute talking about reinstalling a door handle. So I removed this handle. This is the replacement. Nice and shiny. No issues with it. And what prompted me to make this video, someone said they used a plastic fastener to hold the door handle in place, which really concerns me because there's a lot of force on this all the time, every time you open the door, and plastic fastener is really not a good choice. So the way it came from the factory is with this rivet. This is one of the three that held in the old handle I took out. Now to remove this, what I do, I use a punch and a hammer to tap out the center. You'll find that if you just start drilling right away, it's going to take you a really long time. So I tap out the center with the punch and then drill. You can try a smaller size drill, larger, whatever it takes. This one came loose before I had to fully drill it, and I was able to get it out. You do want to be careful. Do not drill this plastic. This one has a notch in it, but you don't want to get to the point where you damage this, especially if you're going to reuse it. Obviously, you don't want to damage it, so don't drill that. So I'm at the point where I am putting this back together, and what I like to use is an actual bolt with the head on it, so that I can hold it from the back. It'd be kind of hard to get a screwdriver in the door, so I think a bolt is a much better choice. I put it through the back. That's the setup. I haven't tightened these down yet, and I haven't installed this one. Just wanted to show everyone what it looks like. So what I do for my washer stack, I put a washer behind it, which might not be totally necessary with this because it's basically about the same size as the head, but it doesn't hurt if you have the extra thread. And then I use a lock washer and then a lock nut. Now this is a standard nut, and as you can see on the lock nut, it's got nylon on the inside that will hold it in place. On top of the lock washer, you should be fine for many years to come. Don't have to worry about that loosening up after you put the door back on. Door panel, actually. So yeah, there you have it. Door handle reinstallation. I highly recommend not to use a plastic fastener to hold it in place. Thanks for watching.